Hey, Craig here with MFA Underwriting. I wanted to show you a nice little function Excel has called Goal Seek. So what we're looking at is the deal I've underwritten. We haven't quite hit our returns, but let's say I want to adjust the purchase price so that I can hit a 15% IRR return. You go up to Data, you go to What If Analysis and Goal Seek. And the way it works is you could set my IRR, to 15% by changing my offer price, and I click OK. And Excel will run through multiple iterations until it finds the offer price that hits your return. And in this case, I know I can offer 45,325,000 to hit my 15% IRR, all things being equal. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.